Hey, what's up YouTube creators? Today I'm diving into some awesome news that's about to shake up your live streams. YouTube's new picture-in-picture or Pippy mid-roll ads. Imagine this. Your viewers can keep watching your live stream while seeing ads in a small overlay. Sounds pretty cool, right? So, what's the deal with these PIP ads? Well, YouTube is currently testing this new ad format, and it's a game changer. Unlike traditional ads that interrupt your stream, PIP ads appear as a small box on the side of the screen. This means your audience gets to stay engaged with your content without those annoying breaks. I know what you're thinking. How does this benefit me as a creator? First off, increased viewer retention. Think about it. Fewer interruptions mean viewers are more likely to stick around for the entire stream. And we all know what that means. Higher watch times and better engagement metrics. Now let's talk money. PIP ads can open up a new revenue stream for you. Advertisers love formats that keep viewers' attention, so you might see an uptick in ad revenue with this new feature. Plus, happy advertisers mean more opportunities for sponsored content down the line. You might be wondering how to get in on this action. Right now, YouTube is still in the testing phase, but keep an eye on your Creator Studio for updates. Make sure your channel is optimized for monetization and that you're following community guidelines. Being in good standing with YouTube will likely increase your chances of being included in this test. But hold up, is there a catch? Well, like any new feature, there might be a learning curve. It's important to monitor how your audience reacts to these ads. Pay attention to your analytics. Are people dropping off when PIP ads appear? Tweak your strategy accordingly. The goal is to enhance the viewer experience, not detract from it. So, to sum it up, YouTube's PIP mid-roll ads are poised to revolutionize live streaming by keeping your audience engaged while generating additional revenue. It's a win-win. Keep your eyes peeled for updates and make sure your channel is ready to leverage this exciting new feature. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to stay updated with all the latest YouTube tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.